This is the New Guinea common bamboo, widely grown on the island of New Guinea. Now, this bamboo has been cut to make houses. Now, it is very useful. There are two types of the common bamboo. One is edible and the other is not edible. This one is the non-edible one, and it's bitter and can be used to build blind for the walls and the floor in houses. It has a lot of uses. In this video, we harvested the bamboo from the garden. Them to make walling in the house and also a floor. Now, the first thing is to split the bamboo. Secondly, before weaving, the bamboo will have to be then flattened, and it is important to make sure that the internode is nicely smoothened so that then it's easy to weave into a line for the wall. Then it is time to weave the bamboo into a blind wall or as a floor on the ground. But before doing that, as you can see, the boys have put bamboo into strand, follow the pattern throughout. So this is what the wall looks like, and then what the floor looks like, as you can see. And the New Guinea common bamboo has a lot of applications. Been used to make the floor, the walling, and also for cooking, as you can see in the previous segment. So a very useful material that is found widely on the island. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you think in the comments.